Welcome to Women Awakening. I'm Cynthia James, and this network is about changing lives one woman at a time. Let's take some time to do a guided meditation connecting to nature. Albert Einstein said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." So I'm going to invite you in this moment to just sit back and close your eyes. I'm going to ask you to activate your imagination. You know, we all have imagination, and so it doesn't matter if we're visual people or not. The imagination is powerful. So what I'd like you to do is to just breathe in and imagine yourself somewhere in nature. It's a nurturing place, and it feels like a sanctuary. It could be by the ocean with waves gently touching the shore. It might be a forest that's quiet and still. It might be on a mountaintop where there's vistas, vast vistas, or a garden filled with beautiful blooms, or an open field with gentle winds. Wherever it is, see yourself there and breathe in how peaceful you feel. Just allow yourself to surrender. Surrender to the experience of just being there, connecting with this place. Each breath just takes you deeper, deeper into the place where you are in the experience of being connected to nature. And there's a gentle reminder that you are a part of this vast universe, so you can let go. Just let go and breathe. Feel the peace. Feel how deeply rooted you are to nature, in nature, how deeply connected you are. Just breathe and surrender. Breathe and let go. Allow nature to nurture you. Now gently reconnect to your breath. Easily and effortlessly bring your attention back to your space and slowly open your eyes. I want you to know that you can use this meditation as often as you like, or absolutely go into nature and allow yourself to just let go and breathe in the beauty. I just want you to know that you are part of an extraordinary universe, and nature is a reminder. Join me for a blessing. So we just take this moment to give thanks. We take this moment to let go and honor the fact that we are one with the universe, one with nature, one with life. We just let go and invite nature to remind us of how beautiful, how powerful, how connected we are and have always been. And so it is.